Hello, so welcome to the next program. So today we will be discussing about the fifth assignment. So what does the fifth assignment says? It is telling us develop and demonstrate a HTML document that collects the USN and USN number you have to validate. So the main purpose of this program is to understand how you are going to validate. Use the regular expression. So you are supposed to validate the USN number with certain conditions. Now what it is given? So the USN number should be a digit from 1 to 4. So you should have 4 numbers followed by 2 uppercase letter, right? 2 uppercase letter character you should have. First 4 numbers, any 4, not 4, any 4, 1 to 4. So digits from 1 to 4. Then you should have 2 uppercase characters. Again it is followed by 2 digits followed by 3 uppercase character followed by 2 digit. So that means, so say for example, now how you have to write is that, or how does the US number says? So first you should have a digit, let us say 1, right? It should be followed by 2 uppercase letters. So we'll say 80, our college code Atria 180. So then it should be followed with again 2 digit number. So let us say 21 or 20. Year of admission is 20, right? 180 20, again followed with 3 characters. So let us say MCA and followed by 2 digit number. So let us say 11. So now this is a USN number. This is a valid USN number. So this is how you have to do, right? So this is the regular expressions what you are supposed to give. Then use JavaScript that validates the content of the file. So you have to use the JavaScript to validate this, and also if there is any error, suitable error, you have to just print that error using an alert window. And you have to use CSS and event handlers. Event handler, that is the JavaScript you are going to write, and you are going to say the CSS file you can take. So you can take either inline CSS or external CSS, make the look and feel better of your page. And next part it says modify the above program to get the current semester also, right? You have to get a current semester also, and the semesters, how it should be the validation, it should take only numbers from 1 to 6. So this is what the fifth assignment tells us. Now let us try to work out on this particular assignment. So now let us, the first as usual, so we'll get the structure of our for this program, right? So now we need a text box where you are going to say enter. So we'll use a para tag, right? Enter USN number and input ID equal to USN. Close the input, right? I will save this program. So let us try to see. I will open it in the live server or open in the browser. So now when you see, so just now we have just added one text box, that's all, one input box. So where you are going to get the USN number here, enter the USN number. Now what you want, you are going to accept this number, right? You have accepted, this is the thing. So to do the validation, so we will use another paragraph, enter current semester, right? So we'll say again input ID equal to semester. Now we want a button, so we'll use the button tag, on click. So let us write this JavaScript function, on click function, check. So what we want, validate, right? So now let us see. Yes, we got USN number a box, current semester 1 box, and validate the button. So now we'll go to our script part. So we'll use the tag script, right? So we will define some variables. Let us say register number, semester, and let us do the matching M1, M2, M3. Some 3 variables we have defined. Let us see why we require. So first thing, you have to get the register number into your HTML, that from that page, right, from the text box. So we'll say register number equal to, how do you get it? Document dot get element by ID. What is the ID? USN dot value, VALUE, right? So next, get the semester. So semester equal to document dot get element by ID, and the ID here is semester dot value. So we got the two things. So now we are going to give the regular expression. So we'll take this variable m1 equal to, so now we have to check our register number. So register number dot search. So we have got a function called as search. Inside this function search, now we are going to give the regular expression pattern. Now how the regular expression pattern should be? So now this always regular expression pattern, you are going to start from slash, right? So forward slash. So now, so what's first 1 to 4. So you should have a numbers, first it should be a digit. Now you can see the problem, a digit from 1 to 4, right? A digit from 1 to 4, then followed by 2 uppercase character. So we need a digit from 1 to 4. It should be followed by 2 uppercase characters. So for giving first uppercase character can be anything from A to Z. So we will give from A to Z inside the square bracket. This is for one character. The next A to Z. So this is for the second character, right? So now we have got a digit from 1 to 4 followed by 2 uppercase character, again followed by 2 digits. Now here followed by, it is just saying 2 digits. So here they are given specifically digits from 1 to 4. Now here just 2 digits. That means digits can be anything between 0 to 9. So it should be followed by a digit, 2 digit, 0 to 9. Clear? So now after this 2 digit from the user, 2 digit followed by 3 uppercase character and 2 digit. So now you have to have 3 uppercase character. So we'll say A to Z 1, again A to Z second, again A to Z third, 3 followed by again 2 digit number. So 0 to 9 is 1 digit and 0 to 9 is your second digit, right? So now this is the USN number, the entire thing we are given, and with slash and quotes, right? So now once you get this register number from the ID USN, you are getting the value into this variable register number, right? Here there is a regular expression. You are going to search this regular expression. That means whatever the number you are typing, the user is going to type this, it matches with this register, that is regular expression. If the matching is correct, so this is going to return in M1 a value 1 if the matching is correct. Otherwise it will return -1. So similarly we'll take M2 is equal to, so we'll take semester. So semester dot search, right? So now what, you should have a number from 1 to 6. Semester should be from 1 to 6. Now we are trying. So now we will just put a if loop. If M1 not equal to -1 and M2 not equal to -1. So what we do? So we'll, if it is not equal to, right? Not equal to means, not equal to -1 means, so it is returning some value. If it returns -1, then it is not matching. If it is returning -1, not matching. So now it is not equal to -1. So we'll just put one alert window, alert. So inside this we will type USN and semester is valid, right? Else we put an another alert window and we'll type USN and semester, SEMES semester not valid. Right, now let us see this. Now let us execute this. So now I have to type a number. So 1, so followed with the 2 characters, then followed with 2 digit, then followed with the 3 characters and a 2-digit number, right? And I will type a semester, say 1. When I click on this, so now the alert window is not displaying. So that means, so somewhere now we have done some spelling mistakes. Try to clearly look. So where we have done, so REG number, semester, will start from body, right? P, enter USN number, input ID equal to USN, enter current semester, input ID equal to sem, right? Button, we have used a button tag, on click event and valid. So we'll come to the script. So let us see. So let us comment that thing and let us check. So here, so what is this? What is the spelling of value? VALUE. Okay, this also spelling is correct. So register number equal to document. Let us see. We'll just make everything comment and we'll see whether this at least alert messages are coming or not. Whether our control is going inside once we click the validate button. When I click on the validate button, again it is not going into our this thing. So obviously, so now we have done some mistakes, so that is why. So validate button tag is closed here properly. This is the first paragraph tag. The second paragraph tag we have closed. ID equal to USN sum. Okay, so now what is the error we have done? See here, what we have done, button on click equal to check, right? This is a function, we have to write a function, but nowhere we are just, after script we are just starting without the name of the function. So we'll write the function check. So we'll put all these things in our function, right? So we'll remove all the comment section what we had given previously. So we'll save the program. So USN number, semester. So now we got a alert window which says USN and semester is valid, right? So now say for example, if I give here some other number, it is saying USN and sem is not valid. Why? Because semester we are given 8, but in our expression when we are matching here, we are told that it should be a number digit, any digit from 1 to 6 only. If we give some other number, it is telling not matching. Similarly, it goes with all your USN number also. Like say here, the first number it is telling 1 to 4. Now if you give here a USN number with starting as 1 here, now you click on this, again it is telling not valid, right? But if you observe here carefully, it is asking us the current semester. So but we know that our current semester is 2. So if I give here 5, your current semester, now this is one way, okay, well, it's done. But if they externally is asking, okay, right now your current semester is 2, if I instead of 2, if you are giving 1, but also it is telling it is valid, but current semester is 2 only. Apart from 2, if you give any other, you should give or display an appropriate message. right? So now we'll see how we are going to do that. So now what we do is that we will take in another variable m3. So in this m3, our sem dot search. Now we will define a regular expression which should contain only 2. It should have only number 2. So now we will come to our if loop, right? So we will come to this particular if loop. If m1 not equal to -1 and m2 not equal to -1, now we will check for m3. What should be our m3? If m3 also not equal to -1, so then we will say alert USN and semester are valid, right? Else USN will be valid. I will say else we'll put an alert. Now we'll say USN is valid but semester is not valid, right? So now you will see the changes. So now I will give here semester, I will give 1. It says USN is valid but semester is not valid, right? Because right now you are in the second semester, current semester is 2. So now if we make it as 2, USN and semester is valid, right? Now this is how you are trying to execute or build our 5th program, that is validation of our USN number and the semester. So first for USN number, then they told us to modify. Okay, so now let us see that. So then they told us to modify this second part is to modify, right? Now also they told use CSS. Now we'll try to use the CSS. Now we'll go to the same folder where this particular program is there. Now we'll create a CSS file. Let us say usn.css. So now we will try to give some designing aspect to this particular the form what we have done. So what we will do is, now this entire inside this para what we have designed, that is text box and button, we will use a div command, right? We will put this in our division. So we will put that in our div. Clear? So now we have put everything in our division. Now if you actually run here right now, you are not going to find any difference. So screen look and screen is same itself. You are not going to find any difference, right? So now we will go to our CSS. Now in this CSS for division, now we will try to do set some properties. Now let us say we will take a background color. Now let us take a background color. We will define one particular background color. I will define width for this division. So let us say width will define 300 pixels. Border, define a border. So let us say 10 pixel. I will define border style as this, and let us say gray color. We'll make the border as gray color, right? And we'll view padding bit. We'll add some padding of say 10 pixel. Margin of around 20 pixel, right? So some look and feel to get we have added. So these are the properties we have set to this div tag. So now we'll save this program. Now when you go into your program file, so now this is an external CSS we have written. Now if you just save your program, run your program, you are not going to find any changes. CSS you have written, but you are not linked to that CSS. So now where you are going to link the CSS, we'll just go here, title, below the title, I will say link. So link rel equal to style sheet, h reference is usn.css. So you have to take care that this CSS file is present in the same folder where your HTML file is there. So just click on this. So now you have linked the CSS file. Now you see, as soon as you run your program, now we got some design, right? We got a division with a border, the color, background color. Inside this you are able to find. Now you can see here the difference is this text box, it has come below this because here you don't have space, right? So now we will just go to the CSS. We will just increase the width from 300 to 400. Now let us see what changes you are going to get. See, 400 width has increased. You can put a title, right? Go to this. So now division, so I will use H3. So validation of USN number. Validation of USN number, right? So select it, USN and semester is valid. Clear? So this is our fifth program. So we have written the check the validation, and we have written a CSS where we are setting some properties for our div tag, and our designing whatever is there, the entire body, that is all this 2 paragraph, the text box and a click button, everything we are putting in this div, and we are setting the properties of the div in CSS file such that so look and feel is also coming. So this is our fifth program. Clear? I hope it is very clear. It's very simple program. Try to practice this particular program. So have a nice day. Bye bye.